How to get rid of my AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how I can get rid of my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get rid of my AI on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat application, then just come to the chat feed. As you can see, my AI is pinned at the very top of the menu. So what I need to do in order to remove my AI is just go ahead and then start long press on it. Once you long press on it over here, you'll be able to find this option known as chat settings. Just make sure to tap on it, and right over here you'll be able to find this option known as clear from chat feed. So all you have to do is just tap on it to remove this. But the downside over here is that you can only do this if you are on Snapchat Plus. So if you are using the premium version of Snapchat only, then you'll be able to remove my AI. So if I just show you, if I tap the profile icon here and then if I go to Snapchat Plus, you can see right over here basically I have got Snapchat Plus premium, so I will be able to go ahead and then basically remove my AI. So one of the features is my AI. You can see it's currently pinned, so I can just unpin it. When I unpin it, it's going to be removed from my chat feed. That's all it takes to get rid of my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.